Starting with the shag that I used, you can see that I had some highlights in there anyhow. I went in and put in some rather dramatic highlights. I then let it sit for a couple of days, and then I treated it with my Cerie Expert Prolonger treatment for strength and shine and softness. Now let's push it for further results. Lightening it up even further, then turn around and tone it with a deposit-only dye system from Chromastics. Now, I don't work for them. They don't pay me. I just love this particular product. It uses AMP as the alkalizer, and that's very gentle on the hair. Take a look at how nice and bright that makes it. Now, you can see the recipe is equal parts 10BV to clear, and it gives us this nice bright look. What's up for this mannequin next? Well, I'm going to take some more of that 10BV in a concentrated form, and I'm going to beef up that gray and see what it looks like. That'll be kind of nice. I'd like to check that out. You know, I like to test all my colors before I start using them on clients. That way I know exactly what to expect. Anyway, if you'd like to see that, be sure, feel free. Please feel invited to subscribe. And if you'd like to, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Have a great day. Bye for now.